Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma clinic attached to Chirag hospital in JP Nagar 2nd phase, Bangalore. So dry and rough hands in this scenario, in the COVID scenario, is most commonly caused when people use too much of sanitizer. Sanitizer strips away the moisture from the skin, strips away the oils from the skin which holds in the water. Another common cause is allergies. Allergies to detergents, especially dishwashing, then gardening, cutting of vegetables and cooking. All this can also cause dryness of the hands. So this is commonly known as washerwoman's hands or housemaids' hands, right? Because it's commonly seen in these people. So this can also be seen in farmers who are handling a lot of plants and their hands get wet very often. So this causes fissures or cracks in the skin and causes a lot of roughness of the skin. Another common disease which can cause dryness, cracks and roughness of the skin of the hands and feet is called as psoriasis. In psoriasis, there are patches of skin which are dry and it's not the entire palm, they are usually patches. Sometimes it can spread to the entire palm. Another little less common condition would be fungal infection of the palms and feet. This also there is a lot of dryness, flakes and itching on the palms and feet. This is not very common in cities where people are more hygienic, more common in rural areas where farmers are in the soil for very long time and lot of moisture is there. Also seen in people who wear shoes for a very long time, like athletes or police people or people with in the army who are undergoing commando training where they have to be in the same clothes for 1 week, etc. So these are little rare causes. So these are some of the common causes for excessive dryness of the hands and feet. So how do we treat them? So treatment again depends on the cause. If it's because of sanitizer, this is the most common scenario now. So if it's because of sanitizer, don't use so much of sanitizer. Don't use alcohol based sanitizers. There are other sanitizers, alternates are available which are again made from plant sources that don't irritate the skin. Then moisturize your hands frequently. So whenever you are sitting, simply use hand creams, foot creams. So many good moisturizers are available. So this keeps the skin intact. If you have conditions like psoriasis or allergic dermatitis, then visit a dermatologist. They'll suggest the appropriate treatment for you.